first graders, we are going to be reading a story in just a second. Before we start reading together, we're going to go over some high frequency words so that when you're reading the story, you know what they are. Let's begin. This word is down. Word, down. Spell down. Spell it with me. D-O-W-N. What's the word? Say it with me. Down. Excellent. Let's do the next word. This is up. Word, up. Let's spell up. Say it with me. U-P. What's the word? Say it with me. Up. Wonderful job. Word is out. Oops, what did I do? Oh, this is cool. Word, out. Let's spell out. O-U-T. What's the word? Say it with me. Out. Wonderful job. Last word. The word is very. Spell very. V-E-R-Y. Wonderful. What's the word? Say it with me. Very. Wonderful job. Let's read these sentences together. When I get to the highlighted word in the sentence, say it with me. My computer is freaking out. Here we go. Okay. We go down the steps. Hopefully when you said down, you said it with me. You see my computer freaking out? They went up, say it with me, the hill. Good. When I get to the highlighted word, say it with me. They go out to play. Good. It is very loud in this city. Wonderful work. Let's go to the next page. Now, in the story, we're going to be working with the short I. The letter I can make the short I sound, like in 6. I. Instead of I, it's ix. Let's listen to some words that have a short I sound. It, is, sit, him, big, dip, kid, pig, lid, sit, kiss, miss. Excellent job. Those all have I's in them, and that I in those words makes the short I sound. Let's read the sentence together. Knit ran up a big hill. Will he sit with Jill? The short I sound. Wonderful job. Now, I want you to look for these words with the short I in 6 kids. We're going to read a story, and when we get to a word that has a short I sound, I want you to yell, stop, so that I stop and we look at that word together. All right, let's get reading. Oh, sorry. One other thing. There is these 2 words going to be in our story too. This word is blue. Let's spell blue. B-L-U-E. Word is blue. This word is that. Let's spell that. T-H-A-T. What's the word? That. Good. These words will come up in our story too, so they don't surprise you. Let's get reading. Remember, stop me when you see a word that has a short I, an I sound. Ready? 6 kids. Did anyone stop me? Did anyone yell, stop? Hopefully you did, because 6, that's a short I. Kids, short I sound. Good job. Ready? 6 kids go out. Good. 6 kids go out. Fantastic. Next sentence, I'm going to say it, and I want you to say it. Ready? 6 kids go up a hill. Ready? Your turn. 6 kids go up a hill. Wonderful. My turn. 6 kids dig, dig, dig. Your turn. 6 kids dig, dig, dig. Wonderful. I know all of you are yelling at me, stop, because these are short I's. Good job. Next page, my turn. 6 kids go down. Your turn. 6 kids go down. Wonderful work. My turn. 6 kids pick, pick, pick. Ooh, I like those blueberries. Dude, those blueberries look good. Ah, look, this one threw it at his dad. Oh no, he just splashed and it hit his dad. That's funny. Ready? My turn. 6 kids are very blue. Your turn. 6 kids are very blue. Wonderful job. Ready? 6 kids dip, dip, dip. Your turn. 6 kids dip, dip, dip. My turn. That will fix it. Your turn. That will fix it. Good. Short eyes all around. My turn. 6 kids like it here. Your turn. 6 kids like it here. Wonderful work. That was amazing. I'm so proud of your efforts. I would really like you to listen to this video again. And this time when we listen to the video, really read along with me. Whenever I say your turn, that means it's your turn to read. Nice work, first graders.